Myself Narottam. I am from Mangalore Refinery and Petrochemicals Limited. I am taking care of both commercial as well as technical. So, बच्चे लोग सो रहे हो क्या? हाँ, जाग रहे हो? पीछे बच्चे लोग जाग रहे हो ना? Anyone outside? See, I can understand from the very morning you people have a very heavy time and almost we are at the end of the session. तो थोड़ा और देखते हैं. अच्छा, can I have four volunteers? Four volunteers. See, today we are going to discuss about sustainability, circular economy, many big things. Many August speakers are there. 4+3. Already several speakers are there. They are going to tell about sustainability, circular economy, and from the morning we have heard so many of things about entrepreneurship, startups. So I am just trying to make it a little bit lighter, and I am not going to tell anything about sustainability. For that, other speakers are there. I am not going to tell anything about circular economy. For that, side is there. My other panelists are there. Let's play a game. I think which is a little bit important for whatever discussion we have had till now and whatever we are going to discuss in coming times. Can I have four volunteers from students? Four volunteers. Can four? Yes, please. भाई आ जाओ ना, जल्दी खत्म करना है, घर जाना है, आपको भी मुझे भी. और दो, और एक, तीन हो गया और एक, कोई भी जल्दी. And I will ask, we are going to play a game. I will ask all the audience sitting over here, as well as my panel members also. What we are going to do, it's a 5 minutes game, in which these four candidates, whom I will give a role to them, they have to play that role. I will give a topic, and they will be given a character also. तो जिसका जो कैरेक्टर है उसको नहीं पता चलेगा. He will not be aware of that character. Others will be aware. और जो टॉपिक मैं दूंगा उस टॉपिक के ऊपर उनको बात करना है, judging the other as per their character. So I am going to show you four characters. First character. इसमें जेंडर पैरिटी नहीं है. Pardon? There is no gender parity. No, nothing. See, hardly we are having that much students are there. So first character, please audience, you just see. Please don't whisper because otherwise the interest of this game will go. This is the first character. The second character is this one. If you can read, otherwise I will request you please to come forward. Third character is this one. And last character is this one. It is a Hindi word written in English. If you people can see. Otherwise, I will request you please to come forward because it is going to be very interesting and it is very much applicable for all of us, not only for the students. So I will request you please to stand in this way. Stand in this way. You stand here, sir. You go here. You stand here. But the thing is that I am going to hand over the characters to you, but you are not allowed to see the character. The first character is this one. You have to hold it like this. You are not allowed to see. Others will see. Please be honest. You put it like this. You are not allowed to see. Correct? No. Yeah. You are not allowed to see. Okay? Now these are not see, sir. Otherwise it will be difficult. Now I am going to give you a topic. The topic is you have to do a group discussion. Who is a better captain? Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli? This is the topic. 3 minutes time is given to you. You have to discuss, but when he will be telling something, all three of you have to judge him as per this character. Similarly, when he will be speaking something, you have to act in such a way that as if he he is like this. Okay, you also understood? जब भी वो लोग कुछ बोलेंगे तो वो जब कुछ बोलेंगे आपको ऐसे एक्टिंग करना है कि उसका वो चीज है, ठीक है? तो योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ. एक्टिंग करो, वो जो बोल रहे हो उसे एक्टिंग करो, वो जो बोल चुप कर सुनने के लिए नहीं, एक्टिंग करना है भाई, एक्टिंग करना है. बाकी लोगों को एक्टिंग करना है, बाकी लोगों को तुमको एक्टिंग करना है, बोलना है, हैं? वो जो बोल रहे हैं तुमको एक्टिंग करना है, बोलो बोलो कुछ तो बोलो. तुमको एक्टिंग करना है भाई, एक्टिंग करना है.
You are not play, you are not. See, a single match cannot decide any individual. Okay. It's not about single match, it's about multiple matches. So let's talk about Virat Kohli. Okay. After before quarter, we have seen Virat Kohli playing with you are talking about consistency. नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ये सब चीजें फेक है, झूठ बोला था नहीं. It's my
to treat him as per his character. आपको बोलो अच्छा ठीक है.
बोल दे क्या बात होगी, इसको स्टार्ट कर.
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. आप लोग जा सकते हो, ठीक है ठीक है. द मेन इंटेंशन ऑफ दिस गेम, nothing. The main intention of this game, students, is the personality, and personality comes from attitude. The way, see, all of you may be very good in studies or in your work, but the thing is that the personality you develop, you will be treated in that way. And second thing, personality is something which comes from attitude. So if you having a positive attitude, only then can, in that case, you will have a positive personality, and you can develop a positive persona. You can have a positive personality, but the way you are treated, that is persona. So whatever it may be, sustainability क्या है? आज खाओ और कल के लिए भी रखो. तो is it that difficult or impossible कि हम लोगों को गवर्नमेंट को रूल इम्पोज करना है या इतना सेमिनार करके फुल करना है? Because we are not having the proper attitude. So that's why today we are in a situation for this sustainability also we have to discuss. We have to have a separate seminar and we have to discuss. आज प्लास्टिक वेस्ट हो रहा है. Plastic is creating problem. Is it do plastic has life? Is it getting littered itself? We human being are doing ना. प्लास्टिक को अगर प्रॉपर्ली डिस्पोज नहीं हो रहा है, कौन कर रहा है? हम लोग ही कर रहे हैं ना. Because we are not efficient or we are not careful in disposing it properly. That's why it is creating waste. Plastic is that but a noble material because it is having different combination of properties, benefits. We are having other materials also, but in all other material it is not possible to have that combination of advantages what we are getting in plastic. Now but the problem is that it is that abundant, it is that cheap that we are not taking proper care while disposing it. We are just throwing it to the atmosphere, we are just littering it, and that's why it is creating problem, and we are telling that it is plastic is creating problem. Similarly is for any resources. अगर हम लोग अपना एटीट्यूड चेंज ना करें तो ये कभी ठीक नहीं हो सकता. So that's the thing I want to tell, that is the takeaway I am requesting all you people to take कि It is all about your attitude, whatever you do, whether it is resource management, whether it is sustainability, whether it is circular economy, or it is a startup, or it is an innovation. You have to maintain the proper attitude. That is the fundamental, that is the corollary. If you are not having a positive attitude, you can't do anything. So that's the thing. Thank you very much. Thank you for characters. Thank you.